It ain't much, but it's honest work. Working in agriculture wasn't always my plan. But today, wouldn't have it any other way. Several years ago, got the chance to start flying, and just last year, morphed that into a seed and spray business. When the call comes in, we're ready to go. When the crops need care, we're on the clock. The hours are long, yes they are, but it's worth every second of it. Because out here, people are counting on us. We have our routine, a process that keeps us steady and on track. You learn to trust your team. Know they've got your back. And you trust your tools, the ones you rely on to get it right. Every acre, it all adds up. Healthy crops equals healthy people. That's what we're here for. Helping farmers sleep a little easier at night. That's at the heart of what we do. We are spray pilots. And these are our tools.